I would shoot a reality TV show of you and I and them taking a boat to the Philippines. That I would do. That would be fucking hilarious. We'd have to live on the boat for how long?
4 to 8 weeks.
I could do that for 4 weeks.
Just us 4?
You have to speed.
Well, it'd be with other people. We'd be going to the Philippines. It'd be a lot of like, buck, buck, buck. Everyone's going to the Philippines.
I know, but like our fans too can buy tickets?
Why with the fans and the tickets? And
This is a TV
it's just
show.
for us. For us to go to the Philippines.